Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the left, dt go to the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So this one we have negative number 1 over w. This one that is about t to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. We have conditions. That means t equals to number 0, w equals to a. So we put this one to find the value of c, that is about the constant. And now we have c equals to negative 1 over 8. So I will put this one gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.